look at all those chickens.
And one calf.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name's Chris. This is Driven by Boost, and today we are in the beautiful state of Hawaii. Guys, we got a 2017 Polaris Slingshot that we're ripping around and gonna do a little review for you guys.
I see a sky with a reindeer covered and running. I see it trailing all too fast, but I'm not leaving. And you go round and round and round, and you cannot see. I'll be right behind you, honking the tree. You look so beautiful today, and how the game is changing. Just like a stranger, suddenly knows everything.
Okay guys, so this Polaris is powered by a 2.4 ecotec GM inline 4 engine, making approximately 177 horsepower and 166 foot-pounds of torque. And it weighs only 1,749 pounds, which is the equivalent of an adult Kodiak Bear.
Is that like the brown bear?
Like the big brown bear.
Oh, okay. So we're just having a bear, like driving a bear throughout Hawaii.
So we're basically driving a bear in Hawaii. And the power to weight, guys, is the same as a Porsche 911, which is kind of cool. Tires, so it's a 3-wheel vehicle. We got 2 in the front, 1 in the rear. We have 205 tires up front, and we have a 265 tire in the rear. And it's all put down through a 5-speed Sparco manual transmission. Cost for this model is approximately $20,000 as an entry fee, with the top of the line Slingshots being closer to $30K. With that being said, guys, let's take it for a ride. It's weird, like the seatbelt should be on the other side, you know.
Yeah, it like trips me up every time.
So I went to go pull from the other side.
Yeah.
And it wasn't there. All right.
Let's boogie.
So it's kind of sketchy taking this thing on the gravel roads.
Yeah, like when you, honestly, when you first mentioned to me that this like car had 3 wheels, I was imagining, remember that Top Gear special where, with the 3 wheels where there's a 1 wheel in the front and 2 wheels in the back?
Oh, was it the Reliant Robin?
Yes, that's the one, the Reliant Robin, the cute little red thing.
Yeah.
But it kept tipping over. Like, that's honestly what I thought when you told me like about this Slingshot. Like, sorry guys, I don't know a ton about cars, but I love riding them, especially this one.
Honestly, guys, I just love the openness of this vehicle. It's really low to the ground, and you kind of have this really good visibility of everything in front of you, and you just feel so open and free. It's almost like being on a motorcycle, but you're not. So it's pretty close to being a motorcycle with a steering wheel, if that even makes any sense whatsoever. Just get this nice breeze, get open, it's gonna feel so much better. I'm just sweating like a pig.
Like Kahlua pig?
Like Kahlua pig, baby.
Do you want to know the Hawaiian word for pig?
What's that?
Hua.
Hua. That's right.
You can figure that out from Moana. Oh,
raining, but we got a little bit of a wind visor that's kind of deflecting some of the rain off us, and it's raining a lot.
It might go away in 5 minutes if we just wait.
Yeah, I hope so. It kind of hurts. It kind of hurts.
Okay, Chris, I think we should pull over.
Why? We gotta keep riding. Well, it's just a little wet.
I just think we're just driving into a storm.
Alright, I'm gonna pull over here. Alright guys, a little wet right now. We're gonna pull over. We're gonna let this rain pass and we're gonna get back on the road. Alright guys, rain stopped. So we're gonna head back on the road.
Didn't I tell you 5 minutes later?
Yeah.
5 minutes.
But the road's a little wet, so we're gonna kind of take it a little bit easier. I don't feel like crashing this thing. But we should be fine. Like, it's weird. I mean, like, this thing feels like a car sometimes, and then it just doesn't feel like a car at all.
Yeah.
So we didn't go north on the island because we heard it was gonna rain, so we go south, and then get rained on anyways. Oh well. It's sunny now and we're in Hawaii. Nothing to be sad about.
Yeah.
These roads are just unbelievable. Like, the turn-ins, the smoothness. Like, they don't have to deal with snow or salt or plow, so the roads just stay fantastic all year round. I love it.
The problem is, if they ever do get bad, it takes about 20 years to fix because everything's running on Hawaiian time.
Like, I just feel so exposed in this vehicle. Like, not in a bad way, but I just
Not in a
feel
bad way,
I just feel very, very open. And that's what makes this vehicle awesome, and what we just experienced kind of bad because we got nailed with rain and are hurt. Felt like bee stings stinging you in the face.
Exactly. Like,
Is that a dead goat? There's a dead goat in the ground.
what?
Yeah. So guys, if you don't know, Hawaii has a lot of goats here. And they just roam the island. They're just random goats. They make goat sounds, and they just roam. Wow. Look at the ocean. Wow. It's almost like I feel like I'm on a roller coaster.
Yeah. But like a really long one.
Yeah, the way these hills are, the openness of the atmosphere. Road narrows, windy road, road narrows, twisties, 1-lane road. Let's go.
Careful.
It's got power. You can feel it. So we're actually at the solid waste transfer station.
Also, so there's 2-lane road now.
2-lane road, back to 2-lane road. Shit. Yep. So, okay. I feel like I just went through like a tornado.
Yeah.
Like, it's a blast, but it's also exhausting because you're just punished in the face with everything on the road. Like, just so naked. Oh. Thoughts? What do you think of this vehicle?
It's just an everyday vehicle. Do I think this is a extremely fun excursion car, hell yeah. Like, I would compare this to like an ATV or a motorcycle. Like, you don't use this for every day, but this is for like fun. Purpose, like the purpose is just for fun.
Yeah, I would agree with that 100%. And would you want this as a daily driver? Absolutely not. But this is just it's a fun toy, you know? And if you ever get the chance to drive one or test one out.
Oh, I highly recommend it. Even though you're not going fast, it feels dangerous.
Yeah.
That's what it feels like.
It does. It feels like a roller coaster ride.
You kind of feel like really cool in it.
You do.
Like,
When you're in this thing, people, they look. They're trying to figure out what it is. Kids wave. So if you like attention, this is definitely the vehicle for attention.
they're all like are waiting. And one of them called it a Batmobile.
I'm just waiting for a wild goat to come out of nowhere and go, bro.
Goats drink. They need a lot of salt, so they go drink the salt water.
Oh.
So they'll come towards like the end of the day,
Yeah.
like around sunset,
Okay.
and they'll travel down.
Those
But-
thirsty bastards.
oh, they're thirsty already.
And then this hill just comes out of nowhere. Like, I'm honestly surprised how well the suspension absorbs these bumps. Oh, here's a turnaround. I'm honestly kind of exhausted driving this thing. Like, I feel like I have to exert so much energy into just focusing on the road, and you're just so involved in this vehicle that it takes a lot out of you. Like, it's yes, it is easy to drive, and yes, it is relaxing, but at the same time, like, you know, you're so close, you're so in your face, and everywhere you are and everywhere you go, you're so close to the ground. There's no doors, you can see the ground. So it just it takes a lot to drive. It's fun, but it can be tiring. And
That's why this is a perfect excursion car. Take you for like an hour or two, and then after that, like, go have a Mai Tai.
oh, I think that's what we're gonna do next. Probably grab a Mai Tai. Probably take Adriano for a Mai Tai, being a lovely excursion. Thanks for my travel guide today. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate the views. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks again.